Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy, Degenerate, coming at you today with some bias. Let's take a look at it on the charts. So, currently we're looking at the daily charts. Bitcoin paired with USD. And, from June until now, we've been in this range. Yeah, I can draw it out. It's like right. It's honestly right about this level. I'm gonna call it 12.9. That's the main deciding factor here. If you were going to short, or if you were going to take profit, 12.9 is a good level to be watching. But even more so with a bias. Come to Mark's sequential indicators. Starting July 22nd, we had a 9 count. It completed. It didn't break the previous 9 count. Oh, it didn't break it at all. It almost did. And it just closed above the 9 count that started June 21st. And since then, since July 30th, we've only gone straight up. The past 2 days, we've started to see some hiccups. But today you're on a 9. That said, this 9 count is stronger than the previous 9 count. And when you see that, you normally expect continuation until an aggressive 13 shows up on the charts. An aggressive 13 isn't anywhere to be found at the moment. Also, that said, here's the top of the range, and if you want to get fancy and draw some fucking triangles, this is why we've been hiccuping at this level. Because you can only trade the available information you have and predicting what the future forecast is like. So that said, you're barely breaking out of this triangle right now, but you're real close to going back in the triangle. If there was ever a bullish fake out, it would be right here. And let me break that down for you. This is what the weekly chart looks like. We have already done a 3.5x this year. And you're hitting the top of the triangle that's being drawn. So this, in theory, is the peak that we could sell to you if you were a new buyer. You have lower volume the week before. This week it's only on a Thursday. You still have 3 days left in it, plus another 12 hours in today. You still have half the week. This is the past 100 days of volume right here. This is its average. A little bit less than average. But all of that, because we're at such a critical level, is why this level and this level are important. If you want to jump on this early in a long position, I would cut anywhere in 11.3. Cut your losers fast and let your winners run. You're 3-1. At that point, it becomes about 1,300, depending on where you wait for an entry. If you wait for an 11,760 retest, your 3-1 ends up coming closer to 12.9, which again is an area I expect people to short. You can size in at this point safely with the stop loss about 25% of your account. If you take profit here initially, the sky is the limit. You don't have data above this level besides this 13.9 wick and this 13.2 wick. But with that data, wicks, that's where sellers came in. Just be aware of that. That said, a majority of traders lose money. The market exists to extract money from the impatient and give it to the patient. So, it's the third try. It's on a 9. Manage your risk. That's all I got for y'all. I hope you have a great weekend. That's all I got, yeah. Thanks, y'all.